Jennifer Lopez is proving that family comes first. Her latest vacation moments with her twins are winning her hearts online. While enjoying a summer getaway in Rome, Jennifer Lopez spent quality time with her 18-year-old twins Max and Emmy. The family explored famous landmarks, enjoyed gelato, and shared relaxed moments together. Fans especially loved seeing Jennifer Lopez step into full mom mood as she happily captured photos of her children during the trip. These sweet family moments remind everyone that beyond the spotlight, Jennifer Lopez treasures time with her kids. What do you think of their Rome vacation? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more celebrities news.